So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable GameChat invitation notifications on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. So if you no longer want to receive your invitation notifications from a GameChat group on your console, or if you want to be able to receive them, then I'll show you how to do so. What you're going to do is just start by navigating to your settings menu. Once you're in your settings menu, you're going to scroll and select this option labeled notifications. From here, you're going to go to friend notification settings and you're going to select that. Then you're going to scroll through this menu until you find game chat invitation notifications. So currently it's enabled. So whenever I have a game chat request, I'll see the invitation notification on my console. However, if you want to disable that, then you can just tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off. If you want to enable it, you can just tap on the toggle to turn it on. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. Once you've made your choice, you can now navigate back to the home screen with the changes being applied to your console. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.